Okay, we're about to create our very first workbook from scratch. Now you can see that I've opened a new blank workbook here, which Excel has called Book 1 by default. Now a very good habit to get into whenever you begin a new project in Excel is immediately rename the file as something more useful, so in a few weeks' time you'll be able to instantly identify it by its file name. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to rename our file to something useful, and to do that we're going to use the ribbon just up here, and we're going to select File by left clicking, and you'll be presented with this screen. Now if you ever click this button by mistake and you don't know how to get back, just left click the little back arrow just there and you'll come back to your workbook. Okay, so left click File, move down the options to Save As, left click. I'm going to choose the path of my computer by left clicking. I'm going to choose Desktop, and here we can see we have the Save As dialog box. We can see the current file name is Book 1, and what we're going to do is type over that and choose a more useful name of My Fruit and Veg Shop. So My Fruit and Veg Shop. I wish I could look at the screen and type, but I can't. My Fruit and Veg. Twice. My Fruit and Veg Shop. There you go. Okay, if you decide to change your mind, just hit the cancel and you can come back and get there at any time at all. But at the moment we're happy that it's going to be called My Fruit and Veg Shop, so we're going to hover over Save, left click, and there you go. Our workbook has now been saved, and we can see that the new title is now displayed at the top center of the screen in Excel. Fantastic. Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is how you enter text.